Hey team, let's talk about some ninja moves. If you want to understand when you're allowed to defend yourself under the law, don't get tricked by TV myths. Sometimes a lunge is all it takes to turn you from being a bystander to lawfully defending yourself. I'm Tom Weber. I'm a criminal defense lawyer located in California and Utah, and I'm a law ninja. Today I want to bust a myth, a misconception about assault and self-defense. Most people think you have to actually get hit, a fist or an elbow, for self-defense to actually kick in. Recently, I actually had a case, two brothers, family tension, words were escalated. Suddenly, one brother lunges at another brother. No physical contact, but there's just a sudden, real invasion of space and aggression. The DA said it's just a lunge, not an attack. Most folks would just nod along with that. But the law, it's actually smarter than that. In Utah, like in many states, an assault isn't just a punch or a shove. It's legally defined as a threat of violence accompanied by a show of force. All right, so not just empty words, but there does have to be some action. But as long as that action makes a person believe that harm is coming their way, well, that qualifies. So the lunge, that is a show of force. The intent is to scare, intimidate, make you think you're next. That's why under the law, my client actually had every right to defend himself the instant the lunge happened, even though there was no actual physical contact. So here's the ninja insight. A raised fist, step forward, a sudden move when paired with a verbal threat can be assault. And the law does not make you wait until you've been knocked down to protect yourself. It's about preventing harm, not just surviving it. So if someone squares up, they get in your face, you genuinely believe they're about to hit you, the law sees that for what it is. It is a threat accompanied by a show of force. And I see this misunderstood in the courtrooms all the time, even among lawyers and prosecutors. You do not have to take a punch to be entitled to defend yourself. So my message here is, don't let anyone tell you that self-defense only starts when it's too late. Don't give up just because you threw the first punch. If you're faced with a credible threat, the law does have your back. If you know how to articulate the truth, defend your actions, then when you're threatened with a show of force, you don't have to wait for injury. So look, next time someone tries to scare you with a lunge, remember Utah law protects you. That's a ninja move. I hope you found this valuable. For more legal insight and wisdom, just follow me. We can give you the real facts because freedom starts with your knowledge.